So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the 15 days trade hold on your Steam account. Now practically there's no way that you can use to remove that 15 days hold. What you can do is just simply go to the option of help and then Steam support. And if you generally think that Steam made some mistake that caused the hold on you, well, you can definitely file a complaint or raise a complaint about under this my account section, or just simply go to this option of trading and gifting and then click on trading again. And here I need to here you can see you'll see multiple options that you can select as an issue. Now, one another thing that you can do to prevent it on the future, download the Steam app mobile on your mobiles, and you can simply set the use it as the authenticator, so that if there's any suspicious activity will go on your Steam account, you'll get notified it, and you'll definitely get avoid your Steam hold.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.